Why smart people still get hacked. It's not about intelligence. You'd think hackers only succeed because people are careless. But what if I told you that some of the most intelligent people, engineers, CEOs, cybersecurity professionals, still get hacked? This isn't about being stupid. This is about being human. In today's video, we're going to break down why smart people still get hacked, the psychological tricks hackers rely on, and how intelligence can actually become a weakness if you're not aware of it. We live in a world where information is power. Smart people read more, analyze more, and believe they're harder to fool. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most modern hacks don't attack systems, they attack people. And the smarter you are, the more confident you become. Confidence lowers defenses. When people hear the word hacking, they imagine someone breaking code or cracking passwords. But today's hacks rarely involve brute force. They involve social engineering. Social engineering is the art of manipulating people into giving up access, credentials, or trust. And smart people are actually ideal targets. They respond quickly. They feel responsible. They don't want to look uninformed. They trust logic over instinct. Hackers don't need to defeat your intelligence. They only need to bypass your attention. One of the biggest weaknesses smart people have is overconfidence. They've solved complex problems before. They've avoided scams before. So when something suspicious appears, they think, "I'll figure this out." Hackers rely on this mindset. They design attacks that look almost legitimate, just believable enough that you stop questioning. A fake email that mirrors your company's tone, a login page that looks 99% real, a message that creates urgency. Smart people don't double-check because they trust their judgment, and that's exactly the opening hackers need. Here's a rule hackers understand very well. Pressure reduces intelligence. Urgency kills rational thinking. Your account will be locked in 10 minutes. Immediate action required. Unusual login attempt detected. When your brain senses risk or urgency, it switches from logic to survival mode. Even highly intelligent people make mistakes when rushed. Hackers don't want you calm, they want you fast. Another reason smart people get hacked is simple. They're valuable. They manage assets, they control systems, they have access. Hackers don't target random people anymore. They target specific individuals. This is called spear phishing. The smarter and more successful you are, the more customized the attack becomes. Your LinkedIn, your email habits, your public data, all used against you. Intelligence doesn't hide you, it makes you visible. Many smart people know cybersecurity rules, but knowing is not the same as practicing. Examples: reusing passwords, delaying updates, ignoring 2FA for convenience. Smart people optimize for efficiency, and security feels like friction. Hackers exploit convenience. The breach doesn't happen because you didn't know better. It happens because you chose speed over safety. So, how do you stay safe regardless of intelligence? 3 rules. Slow down. Urgency is always a red flag. Assume everything can be fake. Verification beats trust. Build systems, not memory. Password managers, 2FA everywhere, separate emails for critical accounts. Security is not about being smart, it's about being disciplined. Smart people don't get hacked because they're dumb. They get hacked because they're human. And the real defense isn't intelligence, it's awareness, patience, and systems that protect you from yourself. If this video helped you rethink online security, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks they're too smart to be hacked, because no one is. Comment "secure" if you want a follow-up on real-world hacking cases.